Welcome to Quiz Expanse. Are you ready to test your geography knowledge with 30 tough questions? From deserts to oceans, cities to rivers, this quiz has it all. Let's see how many you can get right. Keep track of your answers, and don't forget to comment your score at the end. Let's dive in. Nile River. Stretching over 6,600 kilometers, it's the longest river in the world. Ready for the next challenge? Nepal, and stands 8,848 meters tall. Let's keep going. Tokyo. The bustling capital of Japan is home to over 37 million people in its metropolitan area. Here comes another. North Africa, it's the largest hot desert in the world. Next question coming up. In Australia, it's the world's largest coral reef system, visible even from space. Let's move to the next one. Pacific Ocean. Covering more than 63 million square miles, it's the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. Keep it going. Burj Khalifa. Standing at 828 meters tall, this marvel in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. Here's your next challenge. Russia. With 11 time zones, it's the country with the most time zones in the world. Let's see if you know this one. Andes Mountains. The longest mountain range in the world stretches across South America. Keep the momentum going. Sahara Desert. The largest desert in the world, stretching across North Africa. Next one coming up. Mongol invasions. Here's another one. Mariana Trench. This deep ocean trench reaches depths of nearly 11,000 meters. Let's keep going. Greenland. The world's largest island is covered mostly in ice and is part of the Kingdom of Denmark. Here comes another one. Ottawa. This scenic city is the capital of Canada and home to Parliament Hill. Ready for the next question? Yangtze River. Flowing through China, it's the longest river in Asia. Japan. Known as the land of the rising sun, this island nation blends tradition and cutting-edge technology. Let's keep going. Brasilia. This modern capital city of Brazil was designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer. Here's another challenge. North America holds about 21% of the world's fresh water. Next question coming up. Europe, Africa. Keep it going. Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is primarily located here, covering much of the country. Here comes another. Angel Falls. The world's tallest waterfall is located in Venezuela, dropping over 900 meters. You're doing great. Here's the next one. Volga River. Flowing through Russia, it's the longest river in Europe. Let's see if you know this one. This ancient city in Jordan is famous for its rock-cut architecture. and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next question. Algeria, the largest country in Africa, is home to vast stretches of the Sahara Desert. Here's your next challenge. Israel. The Dead Sea lies between Jordan and Israel, known for its high salt content. (1969). The first manned moon landing happened during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. Keep the momentum going. Mauna Loa. This Hawaiian volcano is the largest shield volcano on Earth by volume. Ready for the next one? Canberra. Often overshadowed by Sydney and Melbourne, it's the capital city of Australia. Let's keep going! Netherlands. Famous for its windmills and tulip fields, this European country is a pioneer in water management. Here's another one. Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands belong to this South American country? That's it for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below, and don't forget to challenge your friends to beat your score. If you love this quiz, give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more brain-teasing quizzes every day. Thanks for watching Quiz Expanse, where learning meets fun. See you in the next video.